Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we're doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on one gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport. This beautiful Rally Sport has been completely restored. Beautiful car inside and out, the paint, body, interior, undercarriage, under the hood. This car is just absolutely super slick. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. Does have a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels on it, chrome wheels. White leather tires. It is a real rally sport car with the hideaway headlights. Bright red car, black vinyl top. It's got the two-tone black and white interior. Just absolutely beautiful. The door jambs, sill plates, the seats, the carpeting, the package tray, the sail panels, the headliner, the visors. This thing is just gorgeous. 4,675 miles on the odometer. That is the miles since restoration. Got all the gauges down below there. I just love the 67 Camaros. You know, it's the only year with the wing windows. Everybody, I'm sure you already know that. Inside the trunk's very, very nice. The chrome bumpers, front and rear, are as good as they get, I think. I mean, beautiful. Jack instructions, jams. Trunk mat, spackle painted in there. I'm not pulling that out. It's gorgeous. All the glass is in really nice shape. Dash looks beautiful. The jambs, the door panels, deluxe interior. Does have a couple speakers there in the back seat. The wires are right there. If you want to put them in the back window or do away with them, that'd be up to you. But the gentleman the car came from, that's what he did. Cowl induction hood. Underneath the hood is just gorgeous. Power steering, power brakes, long tube headers. Very, very highly detailed engine compartment. Delco battery top. You can just see how nice a job they did. Look at all the wiring in the car. Look at the plug wires. They're all held up nice, and boots to protect them. Washer fluid jugs there. Hood insulator. Pretty easy to tell how good a car this is. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, blower motor, wipers. All them gauges seem to work like they're supposed to. I think the only thing that's not working is the clock. Having them speakers in here, it's got to have some kind of, I think the glove box might be locked. It's got to have some kind of Bluetooth radio or something in here. Sounds great. The paint is just amazing. And the body. light that I know, that brake light stays on. I don't know. I'll have to look underneath there and see if the e-brake's all the way up. So are you going?
Yeah.
Okay, get in, buddy. Isaac's in here with me. Say hi, Isaac.
Hi.
Where'd your mom go?
I think she left to go return the treasure.
Here we go. Brakes work good, don't they, buddy?
Yeah.
I didn't throw you through the windshield yet, did I?
No.
Not yet. Alright, I'll take it and I'll go walk around quick and then we'll go back to town. We'll do the next one, right, buddy? Car runs amazing, drives great. I tell you what, I don't think they get much better looking than a 67 Camaro. Rally Sport, hideaway headlights, just an absolute stunning car. The one headlight door here didn't want to close though. I don't know what maybe I'll check the vacuum on that one door. But what a gorgeous car. Black stripe around the nose, black vinyl top, rear spoiler. All right, let's go.
You're so hot. Can you take off my shirt?
No, get in. He says he's so hot he wanted to take off his shirt.
Why does it have to be so hot?
I don't know, it's just hot out. Hot, right?
Yes.
Making those wheel tires.
I don't know.
Holy shnikes. This car really runs, don't it?
Yeah.
Give us a call, 563-452-2450. 1967 Camaro. Obviously a built small block, 4-speed. Wow, I wasn't expecting that car to run that good. Give us a call. Check us out on our website, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.